Hi, English 101 students. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your summer so far. My name is Carly, and I will be your graduate tutor for the summer semester. And I'm really excited to have this opportunity to work with you this summer because I'm also at home in Chicago visiting family and friends. So it's kind of a very unique and exciting opportunity for me. And if you're wondering what a graduate tutor is, my role is just to be here for extra support. So I have office hours, and you can send me an email at any time you feel that you are struggling with an essay or have any questions, and we can set up an appointment at a time that is convenient for you. Now, I also want to let you know that I am a recent graduate of USD. I just graduated May 2018. So if any of you have any questions related to anything that has to do with school, just please, reach out to me because I've been in that position pretty recently. So I would love to help you all. And I'm really looking forward to getting to know you and building relationships with you and being able to read all your work this summer. So it is great to be working with you, and I can't wait to meet you all.